Hello everyone, it's Paul from Carter & Son Tours, and today I am so excited to be announcing our first in-person show of 2021, and it's coming up in a little less than a month. If you live in the great state of Texas, or you just love to travel, please join us at the Southwest Association of Woodturners on August 27th through 29th. Registration is currently open, and I will put a link in the description below that will take you over to that website if you'd like to get registered, and I look forward to seeing you all there. There's going to be some amazing demonstrators. Nick Cook, Jimmy Clues, just to name a few. There's so many. You can check out the full list on their website. And of course, if you do make it out to the show, make sure to stop by our booth, come chat, and we can talk about what you've been making in your shop this year, and maybe you can discover a couple of your new favorite turning tools. We are going to be having a slight show discount during our time in Texas, so if your Carter & Son wish list or tool list is really starting to pile up, this would be a great chance to get some quality tools at your shop. I look forward to seeing you all there, and have a great rest of your week, everyone. Thanks.